Hi everyone, family friends, welcome to Becky TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make roasted plantain BOLE. So stay tuned. In this recipe, I will be using a ripe plantain, I'm going to place it on a tray and let it roast, guys. Voila, the plantain is ready, guys. You can have this with whatever you like. I choose to have it with granuts. So guys, I've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like my video, share my video to your friends, let your friends share to their friends, and please subscribe and tell them to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.